Remove the Phillips screw on the top of the door panel. Remove the 2 Phillips screws inside the door pull. Pry up on the front of the switch panel. Angle the switch panel in a way that you can push it into the door panel. Use a trim tool to locate the plastic door panel clips. Once you find them, pry the panel out from the door. Lift up on the door panel, slide your door handle through, and you can remove your door panel. Disconnect the electrical connector. Use a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension to remove the 3 nuts that hold your mirror in place. Remove the reinforcing plate. Push out on the rubber grommet. Remove the mirror. Align the bolts and install your new trail ridge mirror. Reinstall the reinforcing plate and the 3 10mm nuts. Tighten them down using a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Push the switch panel back up through the door panel. Reinstall the switch. Slide the door handle through the panel. Slide your door panel down and line up the plastic clips. Press the clips into place. Reinstall the door pull and the 2 Phillips screws. Reinstall the screw at the top of the panel.